China launches global naming event for its newest solar observatory. The Chinese Academy of Sciences (CAS) has initiated a global name collection for the country's newest solar observatory. It will be launched into a sun-synchronous orbit in October 2022. The 888 kg observatory has a half-ton precursor, or Zihe, or a Chinese H-alpha solar explorer chase named after the sun goddess in ancient Chinese mythology. PM Modi to participate in first I-Do-You-Do Leaders Virtual Summit. PM Narendra Modi will participate in the first I-Do-You-Do India-Israel UAE-USA Leaders Virtual Summit on the 14th of July 2022. PM of Israel Yair Lapid, President of the UAE Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan and President of the USA Joseph R. Biden will also participate in it. The I-Do-You-Do grouping was conceptualized during the meeting of the foreign ministers of the four countries held on the 18th of October 2021. PM Modi inaugurates Deoghar Airport in Jharkhand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Deoghar Airport in Jharkhand on the 12th of July 2022. It has been constructed at a cost of 401 crore rupees. He also inaugurated the revamped Baba Baidyanatham temple area under Prasad scheme of Ministry of Tourism. He also inaugurated 13 development projects and laid foundation stones for 12 development schemes worth over 16,000 crore rupees. First full-color image captured by James Telescope. The first full-color image from NASA or as James Webb Space Telescope was released on the 11th of July 2022. It provides glimpses of what the early universe looked like. It is the clearest image to date of the early universe, going back 13 billion years. The image showed thousands of galaxies and some of the faintest objects observed. It was captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. Arjun Babuta wins first gold medal at ISSF World Cup in South Korea. In shooting, India's Arjun Babuta have won his first gold medal at the International Shooting Sport Federation (ISSF) World Cup stage at Changwon in South Korea. He defeated Tokyo 2020 silver medalist Lukas Korzeniowski of the USA 17-9 in the final on the 11th of July 2022. Arjun had also topped the 8-men ranking round with the score of 261.1. Israel's Sergei Richter settled for bronze. India bags 22 medals in Asian U20 Wrestling Championships. India bagged 22 medals including 4 gold in the Asian U20 Wrestling Championships in Manama, Bahrain. Besides the 4 gold medals, India claimed 9 silver and 9 bronze medals in the event. Among the 20, India bags 22 medals in Asian U20 Wrestling Championships. India bagged 22 medals including 4 gold in the Asian U20 Wrestling Championships in Manama, Bahrain. Besides the 4 gold medals, India claimed 9 silver and 9 bronze medals in the event. Among the 22 medals, the women's team won 10 medals including 3 gold through Priyanka, Arju and Antrim. Freestyle wrestler Sujit won the 4th gold medal for India in the 65 kg weight class. Meena Hemchandra appointed as part-time chairman of Karur Vyasya Bank. Reserve Bank of India has approved the appointment of former RBI executive Meena Hemchandra as part-time chairman of Karur Vyasya Bank for 3 years. In May 2022, the bank had recommended Hemchandra as candidature for the position of non-executive independent part-time chairperson of the bank to the RBI for approval. Hemchandra was the executive director of RBI from June 2015 to November 2017. The National Apprenticeship Mela begins. The Pradhan Mantri National Apprenticeship Mela began on July 11, 2022. It was organized by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, as part of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi Skill India mission. It featured 36 sectors and more than 1,000 companies and 500 distinct sorts of trades. The ministry hosted the event across 200 plus locations. Malala Day, the 12th of July. The International Malala Day is celebrated on the 12th of July on the occasion of young activist Malala Yousafzai's birthday. On the 12th of July 2013, the 16-year-old Pakistani activist delivered a moving speech at the headquarters of United Nations. At the age of 17 years, Yousafzai was the youngest recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize since it came into existence in 1901. Partners with METI to reach rural markets. Star Health and Allied Insurance Co. Ltd has partnered with Common Services Centers (CSC) under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (METI). It will provide over 5 lakh CSCS access to a select range of Star Health insurance products. These products have been designed to meet the needs of rural customers across the Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, and rural markets pan-India.